Parents, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the G chord and Rain Comes Down. I'm going to be using this 6-string guitar. It's okay if you have the 4-string baritone ukulele. Just remember, all the strings are exactly the same. The 6-string guitar just has a 5 and a 6 string. 1, 2, 3, 4 are all the same as they are on the baritone ukulele. So, should be super easy. G chord. What we're going to do is we're going to put our finger on the 1st string, 3rd fret. Now, this is important. Make sure you're using your 3rd finger, your ring finger. Don't just slide your 1st finger up. Also, try to avoid sliding your 1st finger up and then kind of switching to the 3rd finger. Try to land with your 3rd finger down. All right, so my 3rd chord, we're going to strum that G chord 4 times and then another 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's take a look at Rain Comes Down. Move just a little bit. All right, we start with our C chord. Remember, 1st finger, 1st fret on the 2nd string. We're just going to play strings 1, 2, and 3. There's our C chord. We'll go over all 3. G7 chord, 1st finger, 1st fret, 1st string. You can actually play strings 1, 2, 3, and 4. If it's a baritone ukulele, you can play all your strings. All right, and then we have our regular G, not the G7, but a regular G chord with our 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. All right, so Rain Comes Down. 1, 2, ready, C. 1, 2, 3, rest. G chord. 1, 2, 3, rest. G7. 1, 2, 3, rest. C chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second line. 1, 2, 3, rest. G chord. 1, 2, 3, rest. G7. 1, 2, 3, rest, and then finally the C chord. 1, 2, 3, rest. All right, I'm going to play that whole thing again. I'm not going to say anything. I'm just going to play it. Try your best to play along. I'll go at an even slower tempo. We'll do like a 1, 2, 3. All right? 1, 2, ready, go. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.